Having trouble with your OnePlus phone's internet despite having your mobile data on? No worries, here I'm gonna fix mobile data on but internet not working issue on your phone. So let's get started. Before anything else, try these steps. Turn airplane mode on and off once. Switch off your Wi-Fi if it's currently on. Double check your mobile data package. Eject and reinsert your SIM card. Now, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Turn on mobile data always active. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Additional Settings. Tap on it. Then, scroll down again. Hit Developer Options. Scroll down once more. Toggle mobile data always active on. Also, turn on the 5G option if available. Solution 2. Change the APN protocol. Go to Settings. Tap on Mobile Network. After that, select your SIM card. Find access point names. Tap on it. Then, tap the eye icon beside your internet APN name. Scroll down to APN protocol. Choose IPv4/IPv6. If the issue persists, try the next solution. Solution 3. Turn on data roaming and change the preferred network type. Go to Settings. Then, tap on Mobile Network. After that, choose your SIM card. Enable data roaming. Select 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G auto as the preferred network type. After making these changes, restart your phone to see if the problem is resolved. If not, try the final solution. Solution 4. Check software update. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on About Device. Select your OS. Update your software if available. Solution 5. Reset network and Bluetooth settings. Open Settings. Scroll down to Additional Settings. Tap on Backup and Reset. Select Reset Phone. Choose Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset Network and Bluetooth settings again. Wait for the process to complete. And that's it! Hopefully, these solutions have sorted out your issue. If you have any other topics you would like to address, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Happy browsing until next time!